In today's video, I'll be showing you how to roast peanuts in your air fryer, and this is an unshelled peanut. Enjoy this video and welcome to my channel. This is groundnuts. I'm going to roast it. I'm going to measure it out to know the quantity I'll be using. So I'm using lots of water. Now I'm going to wash it and remove all the dead cells. That's been washed. So the next thing I'm going to do is to put it inside the air fryer. So this is the air fryer basket. If you want the groundnuts to be salty, that's a peanut, you have to soak it for 20 minutes in a salty water before roasting. The peanut is roasted, it's ready. I hope you learned something from this video tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you have not subscribed, and hit the notification bell to get notified each time I upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll be seeing you in my next video. Bye.